This video tutorial will show you how to perform a basic search. On the library's home page, you will see a button marked Assistance and Research. Open this link and scroll down to the library's OneSearch box. Click the hyperlink text below it. To perform a basic search, you will need to type a title or topic into the search bar. Be sure to sign in so you have access to all materials. First, try typing in the keyword cats. You will see everything the library has to offer on cats. You can adjust the drop-down menu next to the search bar from Everything to Articles if you would like to limit your search to articles. Let's stick with Everything so we can see all available materials. Here are some basic search tips. If you put quotation marks around a phrase, it will search the exact phrase. Try searching "cats eat mice." As you can see, our search results now show materials that include this phrase. Adding "and" in all capital letters retrieves results that have all the specified terms. So a search for cats and dogs will only retrieve results that have cats and dogs in them. It is a useful way to narrow your search. Using "or" retrieves results with at least one of the search terms. So a search for dinner or supper will retrieve results that include either the terms dinner or supper or both. For terms you do not want included in your search results, use "not." For example, viruses not HIV. This completes this tutorial. If you have any questions, please contact the librarians at Woodland Community College.